Alright, it's been a while, but finally got everything all together with the engine. Just nothing special, just stock 5.7. Managed to finish some stuff up yesterday. The exhaust isn't completed yet. It's going to need an inspection. JBA headers with some 2.5-inch cheapo stainless exhaust piping right now. The muffler is a Flow Monster. I haven't done the tailpipes yet. You know, the bed's going to need some work. It's just, you know, the 6590 project, as it were, or as it is, it's pretty much a driver. I mean, it's got some stuff I got to do. Got to hook up the lights. I just slapped the bumper on. But we'll do some videos on tuning. Some of them will take a while. If you listen really close, you can hear a loud alternator. Probably got a bad bearing in it. Slight exhaust leak. I know where the exhaust leak is, I just haven't fixed it. But so that's what it looks like right now. I actually really dig that color. They call it deep molten red, but yeah, well. Anyway, quick short little video. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna get a couple more videos up in a little bit. Mostly gonna concentrate on tuning this thing for now, and then like I said, it's just pretty much a daily style driver. Gotta get a lug nut on that thing in the front there. Just realized it's missing. Alrighty, talking to you guys later. Alright, so I'm gonna start getting this stuff together for this 6590 thing. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to default layout. Alright, so, and then let's come over here. Now if we load SAE defaults, we really don't get crap to start with. Alright, so let's come back up here. Let's come back down here. We're gonna load vehicle defaults. Alright, now that's just way too much crap to start with. So we're going to come up here. We're gonna cross that out, cross that out, cross that out, because all we're going to do is care about this stuff right now. So that's what our default for the vehicle is for this 04. So we're going to come up here, add channel, hit engine. All right, we're going to come to general. Now everything you see in blue, all right, is already loaded into the channel. So if we come down here, we got nothing. We come to throttle, and we got throttle position sensor. All right, so let's close all this stuff out here. Come back up here. All right, so we're gonna come down here. All right, so I don't want the, we're gonna delete that. We're gonna delete that. All right, I don't want the non-SAE stuff. So we're gonna come back to engine. We're gonna come back to general. We got our coolant temp. So I'm going to select that, and I want the SAE. I want the SAE version. All right, and I also want runtime. I'm going to wind up deleting the coolant temp. That's non-SAE, but I'm not going to waste time with the video doing it. I want calculated load. Just come down here to torque request. I want those. I'll explain why in another video. But for now, we're just gonna grab everything that we can make our life with tuning. I want SAE, and then some manifold. Come down here, manifold. I want SAE. I also want vacuum. I don't care about anything else there. For VE, I want them all. I want it all. And pressure ratio. All right, so now miscellaneous. I want total airflow. I don't care about anything else there. Spark and ignition. We want SAE. I want total retard. I want voltage 1. None of this stuff matters. The short term, max term, it just gets confusing. And really, there's nothing in fuel, nothing in exhaust. Systems, nothing there. Speedometer, I want my SAE version. Environment, we already got those, so let's close this, close that. All right. Come back, because I know I'm missing something. Just close all this stuff that doesn't need to be open. Our fuel, I want desired. None of this stuff helps us at all. None of the modifiers help us. Injectors, that's just pulse width mode, don't care. Fuel mass, I want 1. I want 2. Pulse width, I want 1. I want 2. Open, close, oxygen sensors. I want the SAE version of 1. The SAE version of bank 2. Closed learning. I want all the SAE versions. And then control module, we already have voltage. So now what I'm going to do is all this mess, everything that is double, that's non-SAE, I'm going to erase it all out. And then I'll get back. I'm not going to video any cleaning this stuff up. It's just confusing. If you want to learn how, just ask, and I'll do a video on that later, maybe. You know, we'll just say, all right. But anyway, thanks. All right. I cleaned up those channels on the side there. Get them all nice and spread out. All the duplicates that I didn't need, I got them all taken out. So here's a little bit of a run log. And like I said, I mean, this is just way too much information. Everything's too small. So what I'm going to do, we'll take all that out, close the channels. I want to come up here to layout, default, single plane. And then I'll start working on taking care of that. So there's what our chart time looks like on a single, what our graph looks like, and then next video I'll clean this all up and make it all usable. All right, thanks for your time.